Tuba. Hello, hello. I have a question I want to ask. Don't mind me, I'm just sitting. Okay, I just woke up. And the only thing I feel like doing is just two chickens first. I'm not even brushed. Okay, welcome to my channel. Let me stay TMNmedia. I have a question for you. Just straight question. I would love if I could get feedback or response from people, and you can have the response in the comment section. Okay. What's the question? What's your greatest challenge when you are trading? What's your greatest challenge? Owen, you're welcome. What's your greatest challenge when you are trading? While you are trading, some people I can recall different scenarios during my training or trading period. There were times I had issues with. There were times I had issues with greed. Okay, I had issues with greed. There are times I had issues with not following, not sticking to the plan. The plan is, even when the plan was so very favorable, self, you still don't stick to it. I think I was trading. Okay, I first started with. In fact, let me break it down so you understand. I started trading first with $10 to make $100. Please calculate what return ratio is that one. $10 to make $100. When I saw the possibility of using $10 to make $100, I started. In fact, I doubled it up. I increased it from 10 to 100 to 10 to 200, 300. Then I now started aiming 10 to 1,000. I knew that I've entered one chance. Then I found out that every time I'm in the process of making 200, 300, I'm always falling back to where I started from. So I peg it at 10 to 100. Then graduating from 10 to 100, the challenges I experience are the same. They are all the same. It's the same challenge for every other people that are trading as well. Don't think you are the only one experiencing it. You are not the only one experiencing it. Others too are experiencing it. It now depends on how you manage the experience. So from moving from 10 to 100, I said, no, it's too much. I started doing 10 to 100. Stable. I stabilized on 10 to 100. But you see, the challenge I had with 10 to $100 was that the platform was not allowing me to withdraw the money. The platform was not allowing me to withdraw my profits. So see, I cannot collect more than $30 from the $100. Then they started doing different kind of trick to make me lose all the money back. That's how I transfer myself from IQ option to binary. Now Deriv. Now my question really is, don't mind me that I'm talking, I'm hitting, I'm talking, I beg. Because I want to understand how I can help others as well. Because I've understood that robot trading has really helped me. Okay, for instance, I've done trades today and I'm still looking at my system. I want to make 20 cents. It does not need Deriv. I don't need to make the 20 cents again. I'll collect it like that. Now, I need you to understand, how did I end up getting better at getting results from this platform? There is a trick I'm using. It's very simple. As simple as the trick is, if you adopt it, it will work for you as well. It doesn't matter whether you are disciplined, you are not disciplined, it will work. So what is the trick? Every time you make a profit of $10, anything above $10, collect it. Okay? You make profits. Whether it's above or it's whatever, as long as the profit is within that range, collect it. Don't wait until you have so. Just collect your profit. As soon as you make profit, collect the profit. Do not wait. Don't try to wait and say, oh, you wait, let it mature. You don't need to. Once you made profit, collect your money. Okay, until I started doing that, that was when I became profitable. So I now made it a rule. Once I see $10, I collect. Okay, I don't wait. I just collect. Once I see $10, I don't need to wait. Once I see the money, collect. That's all I do. Now, that makes it a lot easier for me. And that will also make it a lot easier for you as well. If you are targeting a particular amount of money, as long as it is withdrawable, collect. Do not grow your account on the platform, please. But what are the major challenges you have? What are the things that gives you like goosebumps? Every time you look at yourself trading, you just say, if I had known, I should have stopped at this level. I should have stopped at this level. And how can you help yourself to become disciplined at this thing so that you will always get the right results? As I'm talking to you, I'm trading. I'm playing with touch lights. I'm playing with touch. Touch is the only one I can play with like this. Others, I cannot play with them like this. If it is touch, I can play with touch like this. I can play with touch. Under 50 seconds, I'll play with it. Pyong, and you get your results. I've done 2 trades. As I'm doing this video, I've done 2 trades. Okay, I think this one. Okay, can you see? Can you see the trade? I've done trades. This, can you see this trade? Okay, this is touch. Okay, so I'm testing the touch bot, but first I'm allowing all the signals to run. Okay, I'm allowing all the signals. Okay, I can do one now. I'm allowing all the signals to run. I'm allowing all the signals I'm running on to run. Let it run. Let me see them run first. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm playing with but you see, there is always a catch in trading. There is always a catch. What is that thing that you do in trading that actually is a problem for you and you yourself, you know? Okay. What's the profit I'm making? Look at it very well. Look at the screen. Can you see it? That's 17%. Not everybody has control. I'm trying to this money to become maybe $60. That's why you're playing with touch. Now, my question to you is this. What are the challenges you face while trading on Deriv? I'm waiting for an entry. Let it pull back one more up. One more up, maybe 43 something. 37 something. I can still enter it. I've entered already. I hope you are seeing how I'm trading touch. There are some times I'm not supposed to enter. Probably is a reversal. I will not enter as well. This one may take time. No. Let me check. It has pulled back. Oh, I thought as much. It has pulled back. I'm not going to win that trade. That is sure. I'm not going to win this trade. So I'm going to exit. I want it to come down to maybe 50 or something. If it comes down small, I will just exit. Because I'm not going to win it. I can tell you boldly that it's going to, in fact, let me chop this trade. I want to chop it opposite direction. I want to chop this trade opposite direction. And I want you to see how I will chop it opposite direction. Now I'm going to change it to plus. I hope, where is my time is gone. A new bar started. Oh, sure, you see this bar. You see this bar you are looking at. I've missed, I didn't have enough time. I would have chopped that opposite direction. I want to chop the opposite direction. Touch is always sweet and interesting. This guy is always very, this signal. This one on its own, as you see and so like this. Now signal, this bar here. This bar you're looking at, this ones. They are signal on their own. Okay, but I have missed the thing I wanted to chop. I've missed it, so I cannot chop that one again. But anyway, let me make my money back if I can. Oh, now this will be a good example for me to show you people exactly the topic I was talking about. Exactly the topic I'm talking about. Exactly the topic. What is your problem? Do you know how I got here? How I got to this trading without a plan? No, I'm not going to win this trade. Of course, I know, because the guy, okay, except I leave it though. If I leave it, I can win it. If I leave it, I can win it. I've won the trade. Now, let me tell you why I don't like trading like this anymore. Wait first. Let me show you why I don't like trading like this anymore. I don't like the feeling. I don't like pressure. I don't like the feeling of, usually I don't watch my trades. When I click enter trade, I don't watch them. In fact, I don't even like sellouts. Okay? I don't even like selling out, whereby I'm going to be selling market. I don't like it. Reason why I don't like them, I'll tell you. What platform are you trading with? Okay, Manuel, I'm trading on Deriv. Deriv is a fun platform. Very good, very wonderful platform you can trade with, and you can make good profit with. I've been using them since I think 2016, 20, but I actually opened an account 2013 or so. But the platform is wonderful. They're going to pay you. They don't hold you, or they don't do mago whatever. Although they have some of their things they do on the platform, it's normal. But it is 247. You can get to make money every time. Now I am back at as if I did not lose anything. Okay, I'm back as if I did not lose anything. Okay, that last trade I later won it. But I don't like trading anyhow without plan. One thing I will tell you is this: whatever trade you want to do, the major challenge majority of us have is control. Discipline. If you know you are not disciplined, please, you know you cannot stick to a plan. Don't bother to trade. If I want to trade and I don't want to give myself heartache, stress, or anything, what I do is I go for goes outside or accumulator. Those ones I don't need. There is no exit option. It's just entry. Now, very soon, I'm going to be organizing some training. First, I'm going to do the free version because of people who might not have funds. I'll do free version for you. Then we will now do paid version. You see that paid version, it comes with automation. Because not be every one of us get control. It's not every one of us that has control. There are times it's just because of 1%, I will go and do nonsense things. 1% oh. Yeah, in fact, it's not up to 1%. It's like because of cents, because of 20 cents. Imagine because your money is $9, $9.8. You now, because of 20 cents, go and be trading when there is no signal, when there is no guide, there is no rule, there is no, you are not supposed to enter such trade. You don't have any signal, any sure signal of any sort. You just enter based on the fact that you just quickly want to make money so that you can collect. That thing happens a lot in trading. Okay, it happens a lot in trading. That's why I recommend rules. You follow rules. Trade. Okay. Just a minute. This one, you know, they come out from my wall. What can you see? Trading rules. So that you no go forget. Don't trade without signal. No trade if no signal. Don't overtrade. No 4 to 10 trades. Don't change stake until you have made 10x. Follow the exit plan. That is if I am trading touch. This is for touch. Know your objectives before starting. Trade with the plan. I hope you are seeing. I see them every day before I start. Yet, mostly when I'm maybe working on something else before I start trading, you get carried away. You forget the reason why you are even trading. You are now focusing on the money. Let me tell you, 10% will do you a better good than you trying to make all the money in the world, and you will end up with nothing. How many of you, okay, for instance, I have like 7 people watching me now. Let me say, if you've been trading before and you've actually traded with an amount of money whereby you have made profit from the money, and after you made profit, you lost all the money. Please, if you have had that experience, I want you to comment 1. You lost all the money without withdrawal. You did not make withdrawals. Type 1. You were supposed to make withdrawals. You did not make withdrawals. You now lost the money. Type 1. Now, do you know the reason why I'm asking you? Sorry, you don't mind me that I'm eating. I just woke up. I've not eaten anything. And I'm hungry. And they put this thing in my office. So, I decided to help my tummy small. Now, what you observe, now I want you to respond very well. Be honest with yourself. If you made profit before you lost the money, type 1. If you did not make profits before you lose the money, type 0. I want you to understand how you can help yourself. You will see that all of you that type 1, you are still typing 1 again. It is a common problem. You made money. That is why you still have faith and you still believe that this thing will help you make money. Whether it's somehow to do. Sorry. That is why you made money. Oh, you made money. You made money. Okay, you made money. And because you made money, you believe that you will still be able to make money. But you know, there is only one major factor that is not making you retain your money. While you were first trying, you made profits. But that profit looks so small. That's not your target. Most times, we always forget, say, we get where we dey go. Imagine somebody, you have made profit of 30%, 40%. Because you are using $10, $3 looks like nothing. Now, somebody will watch my video and say, oh, you are trading with $5, $4. There is a reason I'm not doing $20, $30 video anymore. Because I found out that what people lack is discipline. So I don't want to encourage you whereby you start trading with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, I don't want to. You've made money, but you lost the money. And then because you have lost that money, because you saw that you made the money, you knew it is possible to make money from the platform. You see, once you know it is possible to make money from Deriv, you will never let it go. You know it's possible to make money from trading, so you will always give trading a chance. But you see, guess what? We are the one not making it work. You are the one not making it work. You can actually get it to work. Okay, for instance, this money I'm trading with is profit money. I want to make withdrawal, and I'm going to collect everything. You are not going to, in fact, this money you are looking at, I'm going to collect, cash it out. I told you I just woke up, so I have not checked anything, whatever. I'm going to collect everything. I'm not going to leave $1 there. Okay, you saw that I was growing. I said my target is 60. I want it to be 60. I'll collect everything. It's profit money, so I can do anyhow with it. It's profit. It's not going to shake me. If I blow all this one now, it will not shake me. Why? It is profit. When you don't have an attachment to money or what you are trading with, oh boy, the kind of relief you go get is not from this world though. You will be able to do as you wish or as you want. But once it is money for, let's say, what you are trading with is money for school fees, house rent, whatever, my brother, you are not going to be able to trade freely. You are not going to be able to trade with ease. What I want, what I need, I can use accumulator to make it, but I don't want to trade accumulator. Because I'm going to be talking, I can see opportunity. While I'm talking to you, I'll take the opportunity and trade. Because I'm waiting for my robot to trade, to recognize the touch. Okay, I want to put the touch, what's it called? Where is it? Now, for instance, this one is touch. Are you seeing it? Red Bear has signal. Red Bull has signal. That's why you see me on Red Bull. Look at it. This is signal. This is the same signal on my website, okay? It's the same signal on my website. This is for touch. It has Red Bull has signal, Red Bear has signal. So I'm waiting for signal. But those trades I took then, those ones were not trades with signal. I just placed the entry based on the formation I saw. If you want to trade, you want to be profitable, back to the challenge. We have challenge. There is a common factor. You've made money before. You've seen it is possible to make money while trading. But You have not been able to successfully, consistently, continuously collect money from this platform. How do you do that? Number one, let me give you, it is sometimes it's difficult to attain or to do. The only thing that mess me up sometimes when I'm trying to do them manually is because I'm working on robots, working on stuff like that. So my head is jam-packed. But there are months I set aside, I'm not doing anything. I'm not building anything. I'm not touching anything. I'm not building, constructing anything. So I focus strictly on trading it to be sure that this thing works. So no be now, if they work. You lack control, self-control, self-discipline to stick to rules. They say do it like this. Yes, you know if you do them like that. Robot can do it better than you. Honestly, a robot can do that better than you. Now, if you want to be profitable, stick to small. You don't need big stuff. Okay, I think, was it today? Oh, yesterday. Okay, it was yesterday. I've done a recording. It should be on my YouTube channel, maybe later this afternoon. You see it. How to make 1,000 naira from 5,000 naira. How to make 1K from 5K. It looks like magic, abi, far-fetched. Start small. When you've mastered the small parole, graduate, increase, go up small. It is not difficult to be profitable. It is actually, in fact, when I discovered that if you do it like this, you'll be profitable more than this one. That's how come I'm willing to reduce from somebody who is used to targeting 300% every day. I'm now targeting 8%. It was tug of war. It's not whatever. How do you get to do it? Please, start small. Bring your targets down. Even let's say you lack control. You don't have control when it comes to trading. Don't do more than one trade. Don't do two. Do one. Meaning you are scheduling yourself to do 30 trades in a month. The same you that have been doing 10, 20, sometimes more. Now we are saying do 30 for the whole month. There are sometimes you don't even need to trade every day. Before my robot used to trade every busy day, every day. Sometimes I may have even hit my target, surpass the target. I continue trading because I'm not the one doing his robot. I was using my own mindset with the robot. I said, I lie. Robot is robot. Let's fix a target. Once they told me, oh yeah, stick to targets. Don't start doing, because what you want to do, there should be no room for doing otherwise. Follow the right protocol. What are the challenges? What are those things that made you not to lose everything? Now, if people actually stick and follow rules, you will not lose all your money. I always tell my students when they start, I say, the rule that I give you does not allow you to lose everything. In fact, as you lose them like this, you go see them say, oh, I've lost this amount. I'm not supposed to trade. Let me go back to demo. There is a rule. When you every time I tell them, when you do this target, you do like this. It is only after you've made half of your targets that you can proceed to the next step. If you did not, go back to demo, go back to paper trading. But many people don't follow the rules. Why? Billing, yakpao. There are bills to pay. Don't be so. There are bills to pay. And you are looking at, on top of this small change, now you won't make they stay too long. No. I need all the money I can get. That's not how you make money. You have to treat, number one, change your mindset. bring down your objective. If your target before is you want to be making $100 every day, my brother, my sister, bring it down. Start targeting making 10 every day. Start from DFSF. Most people that know me, they know I always tell them I'm a $10 guy. Why? Why did I tell you I'm a $10 man? I tell you I'm a $10 man because I've tried to do the big ones. 100, 2,000, 1,000. The heart attack where the thing won't give me, my body no fee take am. My mindset and body, you know, if you take that kind of stress where I go begin the worry on top of money, I know if you take am. That's why I say, let me stick to the one. Imagine you making $1,000. Okay, you were able to make $1,000. Let's say I'm able to make $1,000 with trading with $10, $20, $50, $30. I now use that 1,000 to go and trade the one way never give me money. Is that not stupidity or foolishness? That's stupidity and foolishness. It's the same thing I've been doing, and it's the same most of us do as well. The one that gives you money, you leave am, you go concentrate on the one that did not give you money. If you can avoid that, you will make money. If something is giving you money, okay, let me show you. You know, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you people. This is a perfect low bar. See this one. I just traded this one. Can you see my balance? Are you seeing the balance? You saw the balance as it was moving, Abi? This one is not to tell you that I'm doing guesswork. I have a target for it. I want it to get to what's it called? In fact, I'm supposed to do it on my phone. Do the withdrawal on my phone before village people start ministering to me. I'm giving you the idea now. Those are the things you want to collect ASAP. In fact, I'm going to do it here. Nah lie. No. Nah lie. Now for here they do it. We here. I'll do it here. Nah. Because if I wait for, I don't wait till I collect my money. It's one of my key things that have helped me to make money from the platform. Every time, look. Every time you make profit, collect your money. I've sent order to withdraw. I use payment agent. Payment agent is faster. Now you have you deposited $20. You have seen $10. You did not collect. There is something that they call joy of making the money, joy on your income. You see, when I first started, the first money I made, I collected everything, nothing. In fact, I went to, was it Tantalizer or Mr. Biggs there? I went to Tantalizer, Mr. Biggs. I went to go and treat myself with the money. Okay, with the money I carry like this, go, enter, treat myself, chop the food. In fact, snap picture, say, courtesy, Deriv. When it was IQ option, I collect that one, I did the same. Why? So that all your brain, this your brain, our brain, will recognize that what you're working on is working. Okay, it's working. It's so that you recognize that this thing is working. It's working. Yes. I collected money. I was able to make profit. You will now maintain the same status quo. Once I get profit, collect my money. I get profit, collect my money. Grow your money in your own account that you can monitor, that you have access to, not on the Deriv trading platform, where your village people can suddenly minister to you. Okay? They can suddenly minister to you and say, now that it's 60, it's not a bad idea if I turn it to 100. Are you getting it? Now, so the idea they take off. Make I show you withdrawal so you understand. Here you see, this is Bakari. I use Bakari. I'll say 60 straight up. No, what are you pressing? 60 straight up. I hope you are seeing. Collect. Voila. Are you seeing it? Now I need to take a screenshot. You permit me to how do I do this now? Huh? Okay, not a problem. I don't need to even do anything. I will take the screenshot with the screen. What are you saying? I have sniping too now. I'll use that one to take screenshot from here. That's it. Now, the money is no longer on Deriv. The money is now in my pocket. It's now in my pocket. It's no longer on Deriv. It's just the same way you go to work. You go and hustle. You go and hustle, everything. After you hustle, everything finish, are you not going to get paid? You are going to get paid. So me, I like to pay myself because no other alternative. There is no other alternative. No place, nobody, no anybody, no anywhere that nobody is going to pay me any money from anywhere. So I pay myself. I will not say because ABC something. Forget it. There is nothing like that. I make the money, I collect the money straight up. I don't bother myself to start saying I'm looking for let me double, let me triple. Double won't do there. If you are trading, you want to be profitable, have a target. Once you hit your target, stop. Why? There is always going to be ministration. Not ministration of the spirit itself, ministration of the platform. And ministration of you trying to make the most out of you are looking at $1. $1 is small money. It's not enough. It will not be enough for me. I've done screenshot. I've sent it to myself. And guess what? I'm going to forward it straight. I did not calculate because I'm on YouTube. I don't have time to calculate and type it on YouTube. I don't have time to calculate and type it. But I've sent it to him. I'm cashing out. Now, how much is $60? How much is $60? I don't know. Okay, let me check how much it is. Let me check how much it is. Even if you don't have the ability to trade by yourself, you can use my robots to trade. I have a bot, the website version. It only requires Signal. You only subscribe for Signal, and then you use it to trade. It's as simple as that. 60 times, I think it's for whether 70 or 80. That's 88,000 naira. That's like my salary in one go. My former salary in one day. You now say I should complain about Deriv or I should leave Deriv alone. Because I'm not talking about it more like I used to before does not mean I'm not doing Deriv. Okay, it doesn't mean I'm not doing Deriv. You don't need to. It's like you are going to work. You are used to going to work. Will you be making noise? I'm going to work. Will you be making noise to everybody in your environment you're going to? This one is my homework. Now you have challenges. The challenges are related to the same thing. Discipline. Focus. If you want to strengthen your discipline and focus, there is a law that repetition is a law of lasting impression. Repeat doing one trade each day 1 per day. Now, it will get to a time when you first start, maybe day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you'll be struggling a bit. After you've done like a week, you get used to it. After you've done like 2 weeks, you get used to it. Now, you even get used to it to the point that you start taking it for granted. Are you getting it? That is how to get yourself back in tune. And don't get used to it to the point that you start taking it for granted. How do you do that? You make sure you excite yourself. You pay yourself. Now, when you go to work, you are always looking forward to end of the month or weekend. Weekend. You have something you are looking forward to. Abi? End of the year bonus or a special celebration bonus or work promotion bonus, performance bonus or something bonus they give you to motivate you at work. Those are the same thing. There are days you will make plenty profit. Celebrate it. Keep it. Enjoy yourself. There are days you will record losses. Those days of profit will meet up with the day of losses. It will balance themselves. It is not all true you are going to smile. No. There will be days that it will be worth it. There will be days it will not be worth it. Market is not going to be favorable all times, but you can make the most of it. So your own challenge now, what do you think? One thing that can happen to you for your trading experience that can change the whole thing. Let me even ask that one first. What do you think that if you get to do right now, it will change your trading experience? Your result will change. Your outcome will change. Number 1, please, if you want to trade, you are trading, you're thinking about trading, you are interested in trading, you have done trading before, you have not done it before, you're just about going into trading, please, I beg you, do not trade with money you cannot afford to let go. Money that will give you hypertension and heart problem, heart trouble, don't trade with it. Don't come to the trading platform with house rent money, project money, borrowed money. Mba, you will lose it. Why? The money itself already had an agenda. You will lose it. You are not going to be able to stay focused and learn and actually allow the process to yield for you. You always see me campaigning, start small, start small, start small. Because I always start every year with $10. Forget, I don't care what you say. I'm not competing with people who are trading forex. I'm a binary trader. I'm an option trader. There are others who are also options trader and their risk level is higher than my own. I know. Because that was where I'm coming from. I know they go down one. My chest, my heart, no fit take all those things. Whereby I'm going to be my heart is going to be participating. No, I'm going to be breathing fast because I'm watching trade. If I continue like that, I'm not going to live long. The same thing applies for you. We are not all the same. There are some people that they can run that without feeling anything. They are not attached to it. We are not all the same. And not all of us is going to trade, do trading. No, not all of us. Some of us don't have discipline. Some of us, even if they sit you down and be showing you, doing like the day they leave you, now that day, now in hand. Somebody is supervising you to do it. The day they stop supervising you, that's the day you go back to the beginning. We are not all the same. So understand yourself first. Now, there are some category of people that can still trade themselves and even do far better than I am doing. I've had students who are doing far better than I am doing. Are you getting it? We are not the same. This one now my own calling. Now my calling like this. Now maybe like this. We are not the same. But Identify yourself. Identify your status. Identify where you are. If you want to do this thing, dedicate 60 days. Normally, I do 100 days. Okay, dedicate 60 days. Do not expect any money within that 2 months. Money. I've collected my money. Now it's in my Naira account now. I can use it to flex my life. I can use it to run expenses. I can take care of my family, take care of myself. Look at one project and say, let me start this one. Let me be doing this one. Why? Because there is a consistent income. Are you getting it? But how do you make that consistent income? Do not. Even if you go to Deriv platform, you see them, they'll tell you, don't trade with borrowed money. It's there on their website. Don't trade with money for school or whatever. Use money you can afford to risk. Are you getting it? That's the first thing. Reason, do not allow your emotion to be attached to your stake. If, for instance, you are using a stake and every time that trade is going on, how many of you, let me ask you, okay, how many of you were trading and you were trading? You will understand what I'm explaining now. How many of you were trading? While you were trading, you were praying for the trade to go through. How many of you? If you had that, just do thumbs up or okay, type 0. If you ever prayed for your trade to go to win, while you have entered, you pray, you were praying. Whether you spoke in other tongue, you pray, whichever prayer you pray, you shall pray for the trade to win. If you've ever prayed for a trade to go through for you, type 0. I want you to understand what I'm saying, how the feeling happens. You prayed. The thing was not, let me win this one. Let me win this one. If I win this one, that's the end. I'm not trading again today. Now lie, you will win it. You will still trade. You will win it. You will still trade. Okay. Tao says yes. You will win it. You will still trade. You will still say, I won this one. See another one. See another one. You will still jump enter. Till you enter the one. You hear somebody. You say that is normal. My brother, it is not normal. It is abnormal that we made it normal. It is not normal. It is not supposed to be. If you are trading and you are staking an amount and you are praying for that amount to fall through for you, that platform, you better go and check your BP. Okay? Because the platform is going to turn you into Agbalagba before you know it. You are going to grow old very fast. Yes, I'm telling you. You are going to grow old very fast. Okay, Olarewaju has the same experience. You are going to grow old very fast. But you see, how do you overcome all these things? How can you overcome it? Start small. Start with the lowest return possible. And don't start with big money. Let's say you have 10,000, you have 15,000 or 20,000 you are not using. You can dash somebody 20,000. Carry that 20,000, convert it to dollar. Break it into pieces. Divide into like 5 and take maybe 4,000. Abi? So it means you can start staking 4,000 or even say, let me start with $2, which is like 3,000. Carry $2 and test the hypothesis of your trading operation for a month. If I'm going to trade for a month, what will I get in return? I'm going to get this in return. Let me test it first with demo. You see, maybe you don't even have time to do demo. Maybe you have tested it 2 weeks or whatever. Now, test a month. Don't increase. Okay? Don't increase your money. Don't increase. Thank you, Keva. Thank you. Don't increase your money. Don't increase your stake. Don't say, oh, now it's working. You are making profit. No, 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 no. That's not how it rolls. That's not how it rolls. That way, you are not going to make money from this platform. Oh. Why? Because if it's working every day in that month. It's not going to be the same. You are not going to be 100% right all the times. There are times I will trade. Okay, for instance, my accumulator trader this year has not had any loss. This year alone, we are in the 8th month. It has not had any loss. Before, it used to record, okay, before last year, it had a loss. At the beginning, when I was starting it had a loss. Why? Because of the setup. Those periods, I always use small stake and small whatever to make sure it is now stabilized. Then once it's stabilized, I will now move to the real stake. It has not had any loss this year. And it's just doing 2 trades. Just two. 2 trades, that's all. Now, me, initially that 2 trade, it was always doing very fast. I said, no, it's too fast. I don't want them to know when I'm coming. So I gap the time. Let it not happen the same time. I don't mind. I have the whole day to make 2 trades. Meanwhile, my signal can generate 500 signals in a day. I don't need 500 signals. I just need 2 to be profitable. I used to do it before. I said, there are days because I'm learning programming. Most times there are things I'm programming, I'm testing, all those things were affecting me. So I said, no. Let me just build the bot to be running the same thing. Let me build it side with the other one that is already running. Robots built with my mindset that I've tested that worked. I don't scale until I have made 10 times my capital. Not even stake now, not stake. If, for instance, my stake, let's say, for instance, my capital is $100. Let me give you an instance so you understand. Capital is $100. I'm staking, let's say, maybe $30. I'm staking $30 until I make $1,000. I don't increase anything. I do not increase anything. I will only increase when I've made enough money that I know I can take more from that money to put. I not get one brother somewhere who go give me money to put in the platform. I not get one baba somewhere who go give me money where I won't go beg, come and invest. All the people I even say they should invest or do something for me, na lie, they don't agree. People can easily collect money from you, but to give you, even when you need for business, they don't go give you. They know you are going to make money from it. They no go give you. So don't think people are there to help you. Na lie. Only you can help yourself. And help yourself by giving yourself brain now. Yes, you still have interest in Deriv. You still have interest in trading. Why? Because you've seen the possibility of making money by yourself. Not because somebody showed you. Why are you still lingering around? Despite the fact that the platform has so many people, Pepe, they are still lingering around it. They are still having hope. Why? They've seen it with their eyes. Somebody's had $100. He has seen 200. He's waiting for the thing to be 300. Then he started increasing. It is a common mistake, okay? Common, it's common. You started increasing. You had 100. You've made 200. Instead of you to go back to what you use and use until you make more, plenty. Then you now scale. Now, you are scaling from your abundance. You are not scaling from your inabundance. That way, you are not going to be under. I'm not. Deriv, no, they give me pressure at all. Do you know why? I'm trading with free money. Yeah, I'm trading with free money. I'm trading with profits. The only thing I invested in 2024 October was $10. And that $10, it came from themselves. Yes, the money came from them. So I did not, it's not as if I go site or go somewhere, go and hustle the $10. Then when I got the $10, or I do one thing that gave me the $10, then I now use the $10. You know that you hustle for the money to get it. The money even came from them. So I picked $10 and I invested. Pew. Why? There is a laid down yearly plan and projection for me that I follow. October now, once October ends, November, I'm going to start a new one for the new year. But that new one, I'm going to portfolio 2, straight up. Why? Because I have been able to achieve the target for portfolio 1. So I get progression. In fact, I have a 10-year plan for Deriv. By the 5th year, I'm not touching any. I'm not going to be doing all this one I'm even showing you. I'm not going to be able to show you trades. I will not even enter Deriv like this again. I'm not going to enter Deriv like this again. I'm going to automate everything. Auto. So when auto is doing well, why should I go and be stressing my high, going and look so that my village people can get me? Now lie, they no go get me. No, that's why I'm carrying you along. There will be a time. I'm not going to be talking about all this robot, whatever, but I won't talk anything about it again. Maybe people who are connected with me will be talking about me. I no go talk. I go shh my mouth. So now that I'm talking, it looks as if I'm talking too much. So when you now say you need information, I'll tell you, go and check some of my video. I've given all the information I need. It's just the same way I did training. While I was training them, I don't mind. I can spend the whole day to train a student, talk to you, whatever. I know they hide them. I go. In fact, now you go say, see if this man busy. See as he farabale, they talk to me. He even gave me enough time. He explained everything in depth. Now, so I did. Are you getting me? That's how I am. Anything I want to do that I believe I want to do, I believe it's worth doing well. So I carry you along. Right now, I'm carrying you along. There are challenges. You and I know we are not all the same. There are some people, they can still trade. Hello, they can still trade. They have that discipline. It's just that once in a while, they fumble. That fumble set them back. And sometimes when they fumble seriously. Some will even fumble critically. That even themselves will feel like, there's no coming back from this one. I don't know how I can come back from this one. Some of them, they are like that. But you've been trading. Let's say since you've been trading, you are in minus whatever you have lost. You have never been in plus before. How can you get to be in plus? Very simple. Okay, I'm going to have a free training very soon. I will break it down for you like a business. It's going to be a business. In fact, I'm going to show you maybe some of my old videos you watch. You understand the business aspect of trading. You understand the platform. Some of you always forget what the platform is all about. You say, every time I want to trade, they are monitoring me. They know what I want to do. All those ones, they are your own assumption. Okay? Those ones, they are your own assumptions. The platform is supposed to monitor you. Every trade we are trading, It's been monitored. It's designed that way. So something now, so the designer, you can't be question them. It's like you don't know what it's all about. So why come there? That's how it's designed. Oh, they are ojoro too much. They are manipulating a lot. Let me ask you one question, please. All the money you made from trading, where does it come from? Okay, I'm able to trade now, make, let's say, $2, $5, $10. That $2, $5, $10, where do you think the money comes from? From the sky? From Google? From Deriv POS? From Deriv's portfolio account? Now Deriv pay you. They get that money, they just pay you. Where do you think it comes from? That's why most of you need to understand the basics of trading. Then your brain, your head go cool down. You will understand that you don't need to rush anything. Just stay your day. Things will work out. Some people don't understand. Let me give you an instance. For instance, if you want to borrow money now from, let's say, okay, I think I used to collect money, like emergency fund. I'm somewhere, I don't have money in my account. That was why I built that portfolio for. On Pampay, let's say I can collect money now. I can collect up to like 200K. Okay, but that 200K, they are going to bill me 0.6% interest per day. At the end of 3 months or 40, no, not 3 months. It does not get to 3 months. It is always like every 2 weeks, like 45 days. At the end of 45 days, not a month actually, because their own is like you have to pay part back every 2 weeks. So 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, that's like 45 days. So within 45 days, they are going to make 30% from the money I borrow. They are going to collect 30% of that 200K. They are doing 0.6%, less than 1% every day. Okay, you are going to work. You are working. Where you are working, the business you are doing, you know how you are making, how you are managing to make money from it. Go and find out companies that they are making money. How much profit do they make how much profit does this company make in a month? If a company makes 30% in a month, 1 month, that company is over. In fact, if they make 10%, they are doing well. Oh, how do you know the percentage they make? It's based on their portfolio. This is what you are using. Let's say you have a business, you are selling cement. You've booked an order and you've gotten like 1,000 bags. You already know the returns on 1,000 bags. If you are able to do it in a month, it means that's what you're going to be making in a month. Minus all your expenses. The store where you are keeping it, the people that are going to be carrying it, the things, whatever. When you collect everything, your expenditure and everything, your expenses, it falls down to your net gross profit. Maybe you are able to make 7%, 8%. So let's say 1,000 bag is like, let's say 10,000, 1 million. Let's say like 1 million. It means, let's say you are able to make 80,000 is 8%, or let's say 10%, 100K from that 1 million. That's what you are able to make, 100K from 1 million. I need you to understand, this thing is as simple as I just explained it. Okay, it's as simple as this. If companies can do that, what's stopping you from taking this thing as a business? In fact, start small. You observe that the small ones. I used to do this when I was still doing funding, when I was still funding people. A lot of people don't understand. They don't know. When I buy Bitcoin, buy all those things, and I'm funding accounts. Once the money land in my Deriv account, Before I attend to anybody, before I give out fund or anything, I'm going to trade with that money to make 5%. I'll divide that money into two and I will make 5%. You see, that 5% will cover all the charges, all the whatever, everything they are supposed to do for me that will make the money reduce. It charges it and gives me more profit. I trade it as Bitcoin straight up before I now convert, because I know they are going to, when I'm converting, they are going to collect some charges. So I've gotten the charges, gotten everything. So I'm going to have exact money with small change on top. I used to trade that every time. And now I say, why am I stressing myself now? I'm supposed to be doing this thing for myself. Why am I doing it for others? I'm doing it to fund others. Let me do it for myself. It's as simple as doing something like that. But you see, there are periods temptation will come. You'll get greedy. Those are the things you now need discipline for, to be taught how to stick to the plan. Since I've been talking to you, I've shown you trade. We've done trade. I've shown you my wall. You've seen how I sellotape, how I tape rules on walls. As I'm talking to you, I'm looking at them, I'm seeing all of them. The strategy since 2020, it day here. Another one day here. Another one is there. This one, in fact, okay, you may not see it. July, August 2022. This one, since 2023. There is another one here. Everywhere I surround myself with it. So that when I look like this, I see her. I look like this, I see her. I turn, before I used to have it on this place, I remove it. Just so that you stay focused. You get the right thing. Discipline yourself. You can make money from this platform. Okay, come here. Last secret before I stop this video. Do you know? Let me break it down like this. Do you know, if every one of us starts trading, the money we make from trading comes from ourselves. If everybody starts going for the small and very certain profit level, we will all make money. Are you aware? But not all of us will be able to do that. Just as not all of us will be able to control ourselves, be well disciplined. So if you know you are not that disciplined to trade, don't bother to trade. Just go and look for a bot, connect to robot, and let robot be doing it for you. Make sure you test the robot as well before you commit. Try to understand that this thing can work for you in whichever way it is. Even if you are not well disciplined, you can still earn. And treat yourself. Grow your money in your own account. Don't grow it on binary. Have a special trading. I have accounts. I can tell you how much I made from trading last month. I can tell you how much I've made from trading this month. Why? Because I keep record of my income. I keep record. No other alternative, no other source. If you give me another work now to do now that will pay me, no problem. I will know, say, this one is paying me, this one is paying me, that one is paying me. But I only have one source of income, so I stick to it. I'm trying to make it automated so that I can move on to other and build other stuff that can make money from me. So guess what? Start small. Try with 1 day, 1 trade per day. See how long you can go without deviating from plan. Majority of people, they don't even last 10 days. Yeah, majority of people don't last 10 days. 10 days to stick to the rule and do exactly what you are supposed to do. 10. Most people don't last 10 days. You, how long will you last? No, ask yourself. If they give me a rule, say do 1 trade per day, you'll be profitable. How many days can you go without breaking the rule? How many? You want to break all the, how do they call it now? Jars of not making money. Start by changing your mindset. Bring your objectives down. Yes, you know you don't have much money to start the business. If you get better money to trade, let me tell you, you will not even be looking at trading. You will go and start one business that you are sure you are going to make money from. No be so. But because all of us don't get enough money rich, that's why you are always looking at something that can, it is not a get rich quick scheme. As you dey look am, no be so e be. Don't mind me, I'm hungry. I told you I've just woken up and as I woke up, I've not done anything. I've not even brushed my mouth safe. I've not beat, I've not done anything. When you people are sleeping, that's when me I work. When you people are working, going to work, that's when me I like to sleep. Because when I'm working at night, it's always quiet, it's better. I can hear everything, hear myself, hear my thoughts. I don't even need to shout to talk to myself and stuff. And I can say, okay, you're saying this, we are going to do it like this. I teach myself. So guys, it's possible. Whatever your challenge is you have from trading, you know you can change it. It is all in your hand. Number one, please don't trade with borrowed money. Don't trade with money that is going to give you hypertension. Don't trade with money that you know you are going to pray over while you are in the trade. Don't use stake. If you have $100, you are using stake of $50. You are a Montula pepperoni. You are a Montula pepperoni. You know the year word. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Trade with money that is not going to shake you first. They say, somebody say, but you don't make money. I don't understand. Tao? I don't understand the question, but you don't make money. I don't understand. I don't understand the comment. I don't understand the comment. Trade with money you can afford to lose. And guess what? Before you put money, this is the mistake a lot of people make. You have not tested something. You are putting money. Test the water now. There is no problem. I don't have problem somebody saying you want to test my signal. You test it. If it works for you, no problem. If it doesn't, it's not fight. Every one of us cannot be the same. I'm not trying to be the same with anybody. I'm not in competition with nobody. And I'm not trying to sell off what I don't have. This is what I have. I'm a $10 man. Hello, I know how to make $10 every day. I'm okay with that. I'm not interested in making big plenty. I'm not here to even cajole you or tell you, let me show you how to make so. I've just given you an instance that I've done a video to show you how to make 1,000 naira from 5,000 naira. And you can be doing it every day, even using accumulator. You can be doing it every day. You are not going to do plenty trades, just two. You're okay. Two. I am sure you don't make money today like this. Tao joined us late. The man joined us late. He did not see when I was trading. Try and rewatch the video. Okay? Try and rewatch the video. Okay? Look at the screen very well. That's a withdrawal. Okay, that's my withdrawal for today. In fact, it was, I think, $57 or $56. While I was on this live was when I grew it to $60. Yeah, this is withdrawal today. I did that today during this live session. Okay, I did that. I did this during this live section, made the withdrawal. I know they leave my money for the platform. I collect my money. And that's why I'm telling you, if you're trading, you're running a trading and you trade it as a business, there is what they call incentives. Salary, you pay yourself. No be so. If you are working, won't you get paid? Me, I pay myself every day. Why? Expenses day. Expenses yakpa for house. You now say, make I no collect the money. I'll leave it there to be growing. That I want to grow it to become 1,000. Then my village people will minister to me. If you remember, that's the same way. When you are trying to grow your money, then your village people will now minister to you and say, we've hit today's target, or we did well, wonderful. And it would be nice if we can, maybe we start doing morning session, afternoon session, evening session or something. If we can double up, we can quickly, before the end of the month, make 1,000. Yes, that's how it comes. I'm telling you, okay? I've been there. There is no Jack and Robinson of it I have not seen. I've seen all of them. So I know all the tactics. You now by yourself, you go to preach to yourself. Why? Because responsibility dey your hand, bills dey your front where you want settle. Things are happening that are putting financial pressure. Is it this our economy alone that is not enough to put this thing for your head? Before, I used to fill my tank with maybe 20,000, 25,000 highest. Now, 60,000, you never full. 60K. Bag of rice nko, food nko, food stuff nko. Share you get. Even with food, everything has gone up. Before, I used to trade with 200, 100. Why? It's a target. It's not because of a dollar, whatever. I get targets. Based on the calculation of Naira then, whatever it is, that's what I use. I don't risk waiting and no fear afford to lose. Where I go lose, where I go, they say, I need to get money now. Where will I get money? Where will I get money? Because I know there is no place to get money. So I will not risk what I cannot afford to lose. I will only risk what I can afford to lose. And I know, it will take me a longer time to get to that level I want. I'm okay. If it takes me, when I was building and learning programming, I told myself, even if it takes me 4 years, 5 years to get to where I'm going, I'm okay. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in competition with anybody. I'm not in a rush. As long as I'm able to build it well and it gives me my desired result, I'm okay. Everything that I'm running right now, I built them myself. Are you getting it? I built them myself. Everything they built for me before, I've abandoned everything. My app is on Play Store. I've abandoned it. The website, I've abandoned it. Even the robot they help me build, I've abandoned it. I've abandoned everything. I focus on my own. If it takes time, no problem, but it works. I'm okay. Whoa, why do I need to fight? That's why I'm sharing with you guys, okay? Because these are things, these are thoughts. These are things I have to pay money, a lot of money for to learn. I also had to spend a lot of time overcoming and fighting that battle. If you want to start trading, first start with the mindset that the first 60 days, don't expect anything and don't put any money. Except you know that you want to feel the reality of what you are doing. You are permitted to use the lowest of the amount you can afford. But except that, don't use real money. Why? Test your discipline, your endurance level. Test how long you can stay to obey instruction. If they tell you don't piss here, guess what? Do you know that where they usually write post no bill, that's where most people post bill? Hello? Do you know? Do you know why it is like that? Where they say don't do this thing, that thing gone people they do. Why? Because before Before, their brain did not have that information. Don't do this. Now you now say don't do this. That's the thing their brain. So what will happen if I do it? I want to see what thing will happen if I do it. Oh, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true. He told us, you say it go happen like this, it go happen. I've learned, sha. They tell you for a reason so that you can learn from other people's mistakes. Don't do this, do this, do this, do this. You say they do this when they stuck. They know they quick do it. They go, they look for shortcuts. Go and find out where they say post no bill. That's where they post more bill. Don't dump refuse. That's where they dump. Do not urinate here. Fine. That's where they will go and piss. Have you not seen it? Don't put dustbin here. You one way. Don't pass here. That's where they will pass. It's in human nature. Okay? It's not you. Hello, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. Sometimes our brain has not received such information. So when you receive that information, that's what is for working and fighting with. But if you are, that's why I said we are not all the same. There are some people, they are well disciplined. They are focused. There are some people, this thing I'm teaching you that you do small, they are doing on a big scale. Are you getting it? I know of one of my guys, is the same tactics he's doing. Still, right now, his portfolio is hundreds of thousands of dollars. Before, he used to load it with $10,000, $10,000. Right now, it's 100,000, 145, 200, 9 go there in balance. When you show me we are never chop well, belefu. Now I go put, if I see that kind of money safe, I go trade better. In fact, you will not even hear my voice again. I will go sabbatical leave. Do you know why? I'll talk less. I will not even talk. I will not even want to be talking plenty. God knows that I will not talk because I don't like making noise. I don't like noise. In fact, I don't like stress. Anything that will stress me, once I try it is stressing me, I'll leave it. I don't like stress. Except I know I can cope, I can do it. Oh, no problem, I'll stick with it. So you want to get the best out of trading. Please, I'll beg of you, trade with money you can afford to lose. Start fresh. Dedicate just the same way. You want to go and work, whatever. When you first start work, share a big salary that they pay you. They don't go see if you are qualified for the job, if you can even deliver, if you can break under pressure. They will test you everything. When they see, it's called probation period. Once they find out that you are stable enough, oh, the guy is stable enough, in fact, he's more than adequate. They promote you to the right level you are supposed to be. You maybe you enter with this position. They will put you in a position that befits your status and your performance. Not where they play office politics. The right people with the right mindset work. They'll put you there. They don't need to collect anything because they know you will get the job done. It's the same. Trading, see it as a business. I see it as a business. So I pray to God for my daily income. The income come, I collect. I will now not say because the income has come now, I'll now be doing Jugunu and tap movie with the income. Na lie. I don't do that one. Na lie. If I want to do anything, whatever, I do small, I go. Why? So that I don't get used to manual trading again. I don't want to. Let bots be doing it for me. Say, oh, the bot, won't it cast? You make bots to trade like you are trading. Not, it must have memory. It must retain your own memory, your version, your way of trading. That's the bot we're talking about. That one is like you are the one still doing it. Not the bot now. It's not bots. You are the one doing it. But instead of you sitting at the system, pressing play, it's the robot that is doing it for you. Pium, 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 pium. So guys, whatever challenge you are facing in trading, Ojutirito, we've seen more than enough. But you see, even right now, if you are trading and you are making small profit, try to celebrate yourself. Okay, let me give you an idea how you can get rid of all those lack mentality from trading. If you are trading afresh, your first income you make, your first profit, once it's more than $10, collect it. Go and treat yourself, whether you are going to cook special food or you are going to go to fast food. In fact, fast food now is not very expensive. I wanted to eat. When was this? Saturday or something. I went out. Is this Saturday? No. Whether Monday or Tuesday. I think it was Monday or Tuesday. I went out to Ikeja. And I wanted to eat. I went to the place, restaurant. Rice and stuff that I used to buy before that is not even up to 5,000. One plate, just only me, is 10,000. I say, 10K. I say, this 10K, I'll take and buy chicken, buy soup. We'll chop out for 1 week. You don't make only me. Chop this plate of rice wey don't pass here like this. I said, no. I said, well, it's just because I bought this thing. Let me hit alone. So treat yourself. And while you are treating yourself, tell yourself, this is the reward I got. My first reward I got from trading on this platform. Enjoy. I say, it works. It surely can give me money. That thing is going to give you emotional stability, psychologically. Let you understand that you can make money from the platform. Number one. Number two, let you understand that you have no issues collecting the money. Number three, to make you stabilize and see how serious this thing is. If you can do these things, you can start afresh. Yes, without a hurry. Once I'm ready, I'm going to pick whether maybe towards the ending of this month, we'll have one free live session. Okay, when we have that free session, you guys will understand. You don't need plenty trades. 2 is okay. If you now want to even be Baba, good. 1. Are you getting it? But 1, you need better capital. Imagine you are doing one trade, maybe let's say you are doing one trade with $1,000, you're making $50 every day. You'll be all right now. You will be all right now. But right now, if you do the same thing with $10 and you make 50 cents, you will look, you say, it's small, it's small. Scale it up, you will understand it's not small. And I say, but I cannot afford to risk 1,000, it's too much. Where I won't begin look for 1.5 million for. You are the one looking at it like that. Open your eyes. You will see opportunities in it. God bless you. If you have any question, hacks, I want to wrap this up. Thank you all for those who connected. Owen, Manuel, Ibrahim, Olarewaju, John, Ibrahim Tao. Thank you, Kev. Thank you. Real Boss, thank you. And for those who are also connected, I'm not seeing your name here. Thank you for connecting. But guess what? When I'm going to have that live session, I will let you guys know. So you are not going to pay anything. You don't need anything. I don't need your money. Most of my students then, or most people then, when most of you come across me as a result of you seeing my adverts. So sometimes they think it's their money. I've not been training students now since when? Since 2022, I stopped training. That's like 3 years now. Okay. You think it's money from student I'm using Abby to do my life. From then till now is student money I'm still using. I'm not doing any training for any. I've stopped teaching or training people. Why? Because I've observed everybody has common error. And that error is what I want to help you to identify. If we can get it, we can move together. If you are ready to move, if you can do it, no problem. If you cannot do it, don't stress yourself. You cannot do 1, 2, and stick to the rule. Don't stress yourself. Just leave yourself out. Plan towards, okay, let me run robots. There is VPS. You can put it on VPS. You can put it on VPS. VPS is paid. At least for 3 months, you pay how much? $33 roughly for 3 months. Now, if you now cannot afford that one, you can afford to put it on your phone. But your phone has to be Android, from Android 11 upward. If it is there, you're only paying for subscription for Signal, and you're good. Robot will be trading for you. And now, I'm also going to do the light version of that robot. Okay, but I want to finish understanding that we are stable. Once we are stable, I'll now break the light version down. It's still the same thing, but it's just going to be one trade. It's not going to do 7, 2. It's just one per day. You like her, you don't like her, that's your business. I'm hungry. Okay, guys, bye-bye. If you have any comment, any question, you can ask before. If you're watching right there, you have any question, ask before I go. I'll make sure to fund my account before that time. Not a problem. Just fund your account. We are going to trade live together. It is not in plenty trades, so I'm telling you, it is not in plenty trades. That I've understood for a long time. It is not in doing hundreds of trades, 300. No. It's just one trade can even change your story about trading. One, your company. Oh, don't worry. When we are doing the live session, you will understand. You will understand. It's going to be on Zoom. It's not going to be on YouTube. You're going to register, connect. We'll connect. We'll be in a Zoom class and we'll run it. Not YouTube like this. I will be in a class where I'm going to be able to get your response instant. You'll be able to show. You can share screenshot of what you did, whatever, so that it's not going to be on YouTube like this. And then we are now going to have the paid version. You see, the paid version is for the phase 2 where we are going. We are running phase 1 now. Phase 2 is where we are going. Those ones, they will move straight to phase 2. Not like phase 2, but the projection. Remember, I told you I have a 10-year plan for Deriv. The 10-year plan did not start 5 years ago or whatever. It just started like a year ago. So it's still very fresh. So you can join, carry you along. Now I'm trading with $10, $5. You are seeing it. So when you see me show you trade with $50, you will not say, I cannot afford $50. I cannot afford $100. Start with what you can afford. God bless you. Thank you for connecting with me, and I will catch you another time. God bless you.